Welcome to this quick Amazon Basics video tutorial. Now I'm going to show you how to swap a blade on the Amazon Basics utility blade. So first things first, you want to press this button here and this will unlock the mechanism so you can open it up. You want to replace this blade, you want to take off the protective cover, and this button here is what keeps the blade locked in. Always remember to use some safety gloves. Hold the blade. Now you can see it's locked into place. With this button here pressed, it will unlock it. So press the button and that will unlock and allow you to pull the blade out like that. You then want to get your new blade and then put it into the slot. Now you need to press this button down to unlock the mechanism. It will slip right to the back, let go of the button, and there you go, it's locked into place. So hopefully that helps you out how to replace the Amazon Basics utility blade. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.